Hi, how are you? I hope you're all doing fine today. You can see a nice piece of paper, and we're going to draw a nice portrait here. So let's start from the top, and this is going to be the portrait of a bearded man. So first we're just drawing the outlines like this one. So putting some dots and just this is going to be the face area. So the basic shape, okay, and both sides, just you can adjust it. For the sketch you need to put it and the adjustment. So from the top portion, let's put the hair like this one. So you can see the sketch, the hair is forming up. All right, and here you can see the ear here. Okay, and another ear in this side. So almost symmetrical both sides. And if you put the lips here, then the nose will be here like this, and you can see the eyes here. So this is how you just put the total outlines. Then eyebrow on the top, see the eyebrow, and the eyes going to be very nice. Okay, the nose. All right, here ah, here you can see the lips. And putting the beard from the side to the bottom, also coming a beard from this side, and here you can see the extensions. So the usual orientations and the designs of the beard and other hairs you can see from the sketch here. Okay. All is coming up in the middle point. So first we are just drawing the outlines, then we are just making it darker later. Okay. So the hair on the side is just going to the outer directions, as you can see like this, and also this is coming through here and going to the upward directions. Okay. All right, so in the next stage we're just putting some details. So let's draw the eyeball here. Let's try with sign pen, how does it looks. Okay, and the basic outlines for the eyebrow you can see the bottom, eyes. So the pencil sketch previous one, those are just acting as a sketch elements, and I'm just putting the borders. So ears on the side, and you can see. Okay, like this one. Okay, and on this side also. So the orientations just usually comes like this. So I'm just putting the outlines and the final details. Okay, and here you can see the designs of the hair just coming from the middle and going to the side. Okay, so in this design you can see that the drawing just started from the pencil, then later we are just doing designs with the colored pen, and the portrait is getting visually very clear. Awesome. So the eyes on the side and the hairs you can see just going to the outer directions. All right, and here in the middle just put the hair with lots of few soft strokes and coming up to the center point. Awesome. Okay, so later for these few parts in the middle we're just putting the shades from the sides to put it like some 3D shapes. Okay, so it's like the inside shades and shadows for the people whose portrait we're drawing, and it's gonna be a little bit darker in the middle side between two eyes here containing the eyebrows. So do the sketch with the patience, and do the details as you like. All right, and putting the fingertips, just mix up the color within the whole area. Okay, so all the sketch details you can see it's just done on purpose, and you can see the shadow of the person. All right, so if you can see from near and from a distance, everything looks good. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, stay well, and sometimes do like this one, little bit adjustment. If you like to see more of our drawings, you can also browse through the playlist and select drawings, lots of drawings, thousands of drawings in different categories, and you can do practice here. So this is a complete scenery. Thank you so much. See you in our next videos. Have a good day.